Hello, my beautiful people. It's your boy again, Noah Emiko from cyberspace. Um, I just want to make some certain things clear. You see, for you to make money in Royal Q, you must observe some default settings. And if you want to modify them, you should modify them around that default settings. Like for instance, you see, right now, for close to 2 weeks, people have been crying and complaining about the dips, about the coins going deep and deep and deep. It will come up a little and it will keep going deep. It will come up a little and it will keep going deep, and they're not making enough money, you know. But they choose not to understand something. Most of them keep on trading with one shot. Most of them will just use the percentage dip for just 15, only 15. Some will just use just 7. Listen, by default, the 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 percentage that the Royal Q team put there, I think it's 48 or so, 48 percentage dip. They are protecting you in the dip and making money in the dip, while you, or while we that are trading, we are not making anything from the dip. Why? Because we decided to go on one shot. You see, the one shot, you can as well go and use go to what's it called, Binance or your exchange, and trade futures there. That's one shot. You understand? That's one shot. So for you to make money with Royal Q, you must observe some default settings. Very, very important. Very, very important. Observe some default settings. Having said that, I want to use opportunity to re-explain this thing to my fans out there and the returning subscribers. Please, I will really appreciate if you subscribe to the channel and like my content, because it will keep making me, it will push me more to do things, and I'm making researches on taking trades every day, as in doing live analysis in the morning. I'll analyze the market and drop the video for people to learn, to know how to analyze market by themselves, because it is very compulsory. You see, the reason, like this period now, I'm not in market, I'm not trading this period, but I'm trading in the futures. I'm doing futures right now because I'm making money while selling. Yes, I'm making money while I play on the short. You understand? So that's it. I I'll tell you the reason why I did not trade. Now, some people didn't quite understand the setup, the ribbon, where to get the ribbon, where to how to use the ribbon, and the stochastics also. Now, let me, for the benefit of those that did not get it quite well, because I've been getting lots of messages, people inboxing me, asking me how it went, how they could get this thing right. So I just think I just want to get it right for them. First of all, when you come to your TradingView app, this is how it will look like. Yes, this is how it will look like, empty like this. Then you come to this portion, here. You scroll left till you get indicator. I'm sure you can see the indicator there. Indicator. Good. You click on the indicator. When you click on indicator, you type ribbon, Ribbon. You can see there. You see new. You click on it. Let me start it. You click on it. You go back. You type stochastic RSI. This one that I've already started. Stochastics RSI. You click on it also. and you are good. Then you click on the council. Here we go. Here we go. You see it. I hope I'm understood here. Now, somebody asked me when I said something is closing above or closing below. They didn't get it quite well. Okay, let me explain this. In the 4 hours time frame, you are only looking at the stochastics here. Here's the stochastics. You're looking at the stochastics. What are you looking for? You're looking at this point. You're looking at that point where it's crossed, because now this region is called the oversold region. Why this region is called the overbought region? If the price closes, if the price closes below this region, or if this stochastics comes below this region, it tends to go back up. If it closes above, or if it goes above this region, it tends to come down. So you always have this kind of movement. So when the price, like for instance, you can see the stochastics now, it has gone, it is at the oversold region, which means anytime soon to start bouncing back. You understand me? Anytime soon it should start bouncing back. That's one. Then number two, that's on the 4 hours time frame, please. On the 4 hours time frame, you can see there, 4 hours time frame. Then you click on this point, this place here. You click there, and it pops down. You come to 15 minutes. Look at it, 15 minutes. That's what I do. You come to 15 minutes. You click on the 15 minutes. When you've clicked on the 15 minutes, now you start looking on the 15 minutes. Now you're not looking at this place anymore. You've left here on the 15 minutes. You're not looking at this place anymore. Yeah, it's useless right now on the 15 minutes. Whatever it is giving you is not relevant. Whatever this place is giving you is not relevant. What you are looking at is this part. If you watch very well, we have 4 lines. Look at them. 1, 2, 3, and 4, which makes up the ribbon indicator. There are 4 different simple moving average. Moving average 20, moving average 50, moving average 100, and moving average 200. Now, when you find the first in the 4 hours time frame, you look at it. Okay, it's set to go on a buy, but you don't want to jump into the market and start buying as a then. You understand? You don't want to jump into the market and start buying. You first of all wait for a confirmation. And how do you get this confirmation and entry? It is when these candlesticks, look at it. You see the green candlesticks there. When you find out that they have all closed above all 4 moving averages. Do you understand? When they all close above the 4 moving averages, that's the 4th one there. On the 15 minutes time frame, when all of these candles close above the moving average. Now, look very well. You find out that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 candles that have closed above this first moving average, which means it is still building itself up. It has not yet built itself. So it is on the process of building, which means you don't want to enter this market like this, because you could get trapped. This is exactly what happened to most traders. They don't check these things. They just blindly go into the market because Royal Q will not lose your money. No, at least you should be able to protect yourself. If you are trading in, let's say you are trading, you are doing a blind trading, then which means you want to have up to like um what's it called now? Up to, let's say, 40 or at least 30 30% in the dip. You are protecting yourself 30% into the dip. Then you want to take it, you want to just to jump into the market. Even as at that, you don't even just jump into the market like that. No, it is wrong. Very, very, I repeat it, anywhere I will say it, it is wrong to do that. You understand? It is wrong to do that. So make sure you analyze your market properly first before you take your trade. When you analyze it and then you take your trade, if you can go back to my one of my videos that I did, the margin calls on a 15 margin calls, you will find out that all the percentage, they were, I think, 30, 35, 35%. Even in the dip, you will be smiling. In the deep, you will be smiling. You understand? In the deep, you'll be smiling. Why? Because you have prepared yourself you have gathered yourself in the deep. So always make sure that you go back to your chart and study your chart and know what the market is saying before you jump into the market. You don't just jump into the market, because you get yourself trapped. You get yourself trapped. So please, um, as from tomorrow, I will be analyzing all the markets that I have on my wish list. Look at my wish list here. You can create your own wish list if you want to. You add all the coins that you are trading on the Royal Q. Yeah, you add all of them there, and you'll be seeing them. You'll be seeing them, and you can be observing them from here. You understand? So as from tomorrow or next, I will be doing that, all of them. So I want everybody to learn this thing. And I also have um, a tutorial for those people that will want to take this business to the next level. If you know you want to take this business to the next level, you can inbox me, because I will be dropping my WhatsApp link there. You can inbox me, and let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. I also have a hidden indicator that I use to that gives me a foresight of the market, because sometimes some of these indicators might be lagging. They might deceive you. And mind you, these things that I'm saying, they are not 100%. They are not 100%, but it will make you stand out of the crowd. They're not 100%, but it will make you stand out of an average blind trader. Let me use that word. Sorry if because the Royal Q actually makes us so lazy. It makes everybody so lazy. Yeah, it makes all of us so lazy. So that's why I'm using that word. If I'm wrong there, please pardon my manners. But it will make you stand out of the average Royal Q trader when you analyze your market, even if it is not 100% sure, because things could happen in the market. But you'll be saying that, okay, on a nutshell, I'm making a killing consistently. You understand? So for now, this is what I have. So if you want to take this into the next level, please inbox me, make comment if you want me to also be making a daily analysis of the market. Make comment. I want to see the comments coming, and I also want to see the likes coming to motivate me to do more. So that's it, guys. I love you guys. I really appreciate your efforts to keep this. You can see what's happening there. You can see what's happening there. You can see what's happening there. It's going up, but we don't want to jump in. Just want to wait for it to close above the last moving average there. Yeah. So that's it, guys. I will be coming up with another set of video, like as I told you guys, that would benefit everyone, to benefit everyone. God bless you. Thank you, and remain blessed.